On January 28, 2024, an employee at the Speedway gas station called the Warren Police Department after a man refused to leave the store. The man had been playing loud music inside the store and was causing a disturbance. When officers arrived at the scene, they found the man with a dog sitting between his legs. The officers instructed the man to leave the store or else he'll be arrested. Here's what happened. We can see here that the man is playing with his dog while seemingly observing the officers around him.
Now!
7-4.
Chill the fuck out! Now! Now! No! Stop!
He was fine yesterday.
Yeah. I'm good yesterday too. I'm good. Stop!
You can't have your dog disturbing everybody inside the gas station.
You're disturbing her right now. Listen, bye.
You can't have a dog in a gas station.
Arrest me or move on. Arrest me and move on.
No, the employees want you gone.
The police said that the employees wanted him gone, but the man disregards everyone and just acts hysterical.
Leave.
Arrest me. Sit down.
Be easy now.
What's that?
Be easy now.
What, lock him up?
Yeah.
Give me a second.
Yeah. We're being cool.
You're behind me.
You just can't play your music and
I can do
hang
whatever
out.
I do what the fuck I want to do. Move on.
I do the F word I want to do, the man says. But isn't it too late at night to have your music blasted inside a convenience store like this?
Don't walk up on the ground for fucking
If your dog bites into us, it's gonna be bad.
do it. Right here. Step off, nigga. Step off. You're gonna be dead. I promise you that. You're gonna be dead, bitch.
Now he's threatening one of the officers. I just know this won't end well for him.
Big hoe. A big old black answer. Sit the fuck down. Sit down. I'm trying.
You need to leave.
And just like that, he continues blasting his music.
Can't ever play one and you want to see what kind of
You need to leave. The lady asked you to leave.
I'm not going back up.
Get the sergeant.
Couldn't he just do this at home? Why bother everyone in a public place like this?
Try it. I'm waiting. Please do. Let me show you the fuck I am. Make your move, bitch. Any one of y'all. Try it.
Hey, you have two coming.
I'm right here.
You have two coming.
Oh, bring it. Bring it. You're gonna need more than y'all two. I promise.
right.
You're gonna need at least 5. Bring 5. Bring 10. Try it. Bring all you need, bitch.
Now he's acting even more aggressive. What could possibly go wrong?
What's that?
He's got a pair of scissors.
I saw, yeah. I'll stay. You're good. I'll let you stay that.
What are y'all scared?
Look at him dancing around to his tunes.
How the fuck are you police officers and you're scared of me? Quit being a bitch and do your job, ho, or move the fuck on.
More people we get better. No. They got to be after I can pull it off.
He looks so odd dancing around like this. Just look at his mediocre moves.
So listen, man, you got a chance to walk away right now. If you refuse to, you're going to go to jail, and your dog's going to go to pound. That's up to you, man. That's what you want to do.
Hey, so he does have a pair of scissors.
He's got a pair of scissors. He's got a big holster for a knife.
He had it on earlier.
And he's got a dog, so.
He's got a big knife somewhere on him. He had it on earlier.
I'm going to keep you
Hey, you put that away, bitch. Now.
You got a leash on your dog?
You, bitch. You, man, what are you?
You got a leash on your dog, so we don't got to shoot.
I know he feels safe threatening officers like this because he's with his dog. That dog seems to be just as aggressive as him and very protective.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Turn around. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. You're gonna get tased.
And here comes the taser guns. This is going to end up even worse, I tell you.
Turn around. We're not gonna do that.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Y'all need to fix this. Y'all need to fix this now. Why are you even looking at her? Why are you even looking at her? Why are you even looking at her?
See? I told you. That's what you get when you can't just shut your music off in public spaces.
Roll over! Put your hands behind your back! Roll over! Put your hands behind your back!
Let me get her.
Look at his dog trying to protect him. I am more concerned for the dog than this hysterical man.
Put your hands behind your back!
Your dog gonna fight me. It's your dog. A woman. A woman. A woman. Is a dog? A woman. Gonna fight woman. No. Get her. It's okay, baby.
I find it funny and sweet that officers will do a Mickey Mouse impression to tame dogs. And there goes the handcuffs. Good job, officers.
How many y'all use? Oh my God, I'm being serious now. That was fun. The fuck, that's what I needed. How many y'all use? How many did y'all use? Y'all used 3? It took 3? That's what's up.
Knock it off, motherfucker!
It took 3 tasers and an army of men to take me down. And y'all still didn't do it.
Now you're losing your dog, too.
Oh, you thought?
Now your dog.
You thought?
Your
You
dog.
thought?
Look at him still sounding aggressive while being arrested. Can you give yourself a break, mister?
You know who's the dog? You can take that from my mom. She lives right next door.
It ain't going in. Sure, it's getting surrendered. You're not getting your dog back.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, remember me, bitch? Yeah, you did.
Let me know when you're ready to turn it.
Stop.
Now he's trying to fight back? Hilarious. Just stay down for a moment, okay?
Your dog is gone, bitch. Your dog is gone. Why are you doing this? Why? Why? Because you're a bitch? Because you're a bitch? Because you're a bitch? You want to suck a big old dick, bitch? Big old fat, suck a fat dick, bitch? Yeah, go ahead. Right there. Go ahead. Get it. That dick. Fuck.
Good?
Yeah, I'm good. Y'all good? Oh, I don't have it now. Fuck. I don't need that knife. Fuck.
There he goes. Time to take him out of the store. I'm pretty sure the store owner can peacefully work now without this man's music blasting.
This me to take me out? A whole army? 3 tasers in an army? Y'all still some bitches. Y'all suck.
All I wanted for him is to stop acting aggressive while being apprehended. Good Lord. Let's see how the events unfolded from this body cam.
Hey, the dog's orders out here. You want him to come grab the dog?
Whose dog is it? It's his dog right here. It's your dog? Who's those?
We can hear the taser sounds from here that we saw earlier. I feel so bad for the dog. Look at him watching around curiously.
It's your dog. A woman. A woman. It's a dog. A woman. You're gonna fight woman.
Pick him up.
All right, owner's here for the dog. Come here, Jinx.
Hold on.
Yeah, as soon as we can grab it. Get your dog.
Here's the Mickey Mouse impression again. But look at the dog's face. He looks so sad.
Okay, we gotta get the pros. It's okay.
You can just pull him out.
No, we gotta go get one of those things, the yellow thingies. Yeah. Can someone go to Palmer's car and get one of those yellow thingies to get the probe out of the dog?
Good to know that the officers are calming the dog after witnessing his owner being tossed.
It's okay. Alright, you're fine.
3 tasers and an army of men to take me down.
Now you're losing your dog too.
No, you're done.
Now your dog.
You're done.
Your dog's
Okay, you alright, baby? Okay.
Why is the dog in here?
This guy's a fucking asshole.
He does. He just brings his dog.
You know who's this dog is? You can take that from my mom. She was ready to go.
I'm making sure it's getting surrendered. You lost your fucking dog.
I got the dog. Do you want to put that up?
It's okay, baby. It's okay. Stop. We'll take her to the station. It's alright. We're gonna get it out of here, okay? We're gonna get it out of here. It's okay.
Is your dog or is his?
Oh.
Last time we had litigation with this,
Because you're a bitch. Well, suck a big old dick.
Hey. Cheeks.
I feel so sorry for the dog having to go through all of this.
Oh, I don't have it now. It's okay. What? Hey, I got
It's okay. It's alright, baby. Alright? It's okay. Alright. No, we'll go get him later, okay? Hey, someone help me. Can you hold it? Because we gotta pull this out. Jinx. Good.
Hear the dog's cries? I want to hug him so bad.
Sit.
Sit.
Is this your dog?
Yeah, I got no Zach at the house.
You got a what? Is this your dog, though?
Yes, mine.
This is your dog?
Yes.
Okay.
That's his uncle. That's my uncle.
So this man is the dog's owner, and the man that got tossed is his uncle. Seems like we have a family reunion here, I see.
Thanks if I be president of the United States.
Alright.
It's fucking crazy.
So you're good to take this dog home with you? Alright,
I'm gonna take him home.
You got your ID?
Yeah.
Get your ID off for me.
Sorry, bud.
Yeah, I stay literally right.
Yeah, I just gotta jot your info down.
Why does he have your dog though?
He's helped me train.
Yeah, don't give this dog ever again.
I got a whole boy, full grown meal at the
But
house.
here's the thing: if this was,
You can toss that. It's garbage.
I cut it.
if he does this shit, you want him to take all his property with him? It's his uncle.
I said,
He can take it. Take that.
that's my mom.
I got you.
Yeah,
That's her brother.
Alright, what's a good phone number for you, man?
Everything seems peaceful now. Good thing that man earlier was arrested in a jiffy.
The dog I really love that happened to fuck me. He took my house out of Escalated.
Yeah.
And he just trying to. Then my last one got shot.
Is this a girl or guy?
It's a girl.
Oh, I hope she's okay.
Almost. Shit.
Good girl.
You
So
guys.
she's a little freaked out right now.
Yeah. You guys, she's the male. The male's 4 times her size.
Yeah,
Really?
I'm glad.
But hey, you gotta be careful because one day the dog's gonna get shot.
She could have got shot.
Yeah.
That's the last thing I want to shoot.
Yeah.
I have 3 dogs. That's the last thing I want to shoot a fucking dog.
Like my first one that was with him, my actual pit bull, Reynolds pit, same size as her. He got shot 9 times with a Glock.
It seems like this man knows a lot about dogs. He must be a real dog lover.
Oh shit! So make
All right, man. You want to load her up and?
Yeah.
You got his
I stay
name?
right down the street, so.
All right. I got his info.
Okay.
We'll log his name.
Ryan's doing that.
It's his dog, so we're trying to.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Huh?
She's mine.
Yeah. All right, man. You're good to go. All right. So appreciate it.
Yeah, you got his. Well, that's all I came in here for.